Hello students, in this question we are going to consider the question number 5, November 2025, analysis and approaches standard level. Paper 1. Given the following graph of the function, rational function, and we should find the values of a and b, yeah, straightforward, a and b, using these 2 points, okay? These 2 points also a and b are integers, okay? Let's find the a and b value a and b using these 2 points. So if 2 points are given, let's use the coordinates of these points to find corresponding equations. So y is 1, so instead of y I plug 1, a times negative 10 plus b over negative 10 minus 4. So that's how we will obtain the first equation, first linear equation, negative 14. This is our first equation. Now, to obtain the second equation, for sure we will use the point Q, the second point, right? So 3 and negative 12, and now negative 12 is equal to a times 3 plus b over 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. Okay, 3 minus 4. So we have 3a plus b is equal to 12. All right. Okay, so this is the second equation. So first equation, second equation. And now let's solve simultaneous equations now. Simultaneous equation. Negative 10a plus b is equal to negative 14. 3a plus b is equal to 12. Okay, and now let's subtract. We will have negative 13a is equal to negative 26. So a is equal to 2. To find b, I will plug instead of a the value of 2, and we will get value of b is equal to 6. So this is 2 answers. Okay, right, so that's how you will get the 3 marks here. And part B, describe sequence on transformation that would map the graph of y is equal to 1 over x to the graph of y is equal to ax plus b x minus 4. Yeah, what's here? How many transformations here? And we have to write a sequence of transformations, right? Okay, now we obtain the value a and b. That is why let's plug this value here, 2 and 6, right? So y is equal to 2x plus 6 over x minus 4. Okay, what to do, guys? Do you remember that we can obtain the graph of ax minus b plus c? Yeah, we can obtain this graph, obtain this equation that helps us to understand what kind of transformation. That is why we have to convert this form into that form, okay, from left side to right. Okay, what to do? 2x minus 4 plus 4. I just added this to make this is the same as denominator, okay? So let's use it. Plus 4 x minus 4. So now let's open the brackets, x minus 4, and then these 2 multiplied by 8 plus 4 plus 6 over x minus 4. And now let's divide separately. Actually, we are splitting our fraction, plus 14 over x minus 4. Okay, now it's reduced, right? So we have 14x minus 4 plus 2. So this is equation. Now we have converted in more appropriate form, and now it is easy to say that to obtain this function we have to shift our reciprocal function to the 4 units right. So sequence of transformations: horizontal shift 4 units right. This is the first transformation, right? The second one, vertical shift 2 units up. Okay, and the last transformation, 14, about 14. The 14, it's a what? It's a horizontal vertical stretch, right? Vertical stretch, scale factor of 14. So this three transformation listed, and these 5 marks is yours now. Enjoy. Hope this video was clear for you. Ask any questions you would like to ask in the comments, press like, and see you in the next video.